17, so excited about a life. One mistake, dreams became a sacrifice. Who knew that she would become a mother so soon? When she was pregnant, she graduated and made a move on to college, guessing that she would not lose. Look at her now, she's walking around and making big boss moves. We got a hook, y'all. Hey, was I rejected, or did they miss out? 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 Never forget how worthy you are. Spend time with people who value you. Know your worth and add tax to it. Oh, was I rejected, or did I miss out? Was I rejected, or did I miss out? Was I rejected, or did I miss